Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to find the roots of the quadratic equation by using formula method. This is from the practice set 2.4 of quadratic equation of class 10th algebra chapter number 2, that is okay. So before going to the formula method, we have seen this, that comparing the given quadratic equation with general form of quadratic equation and writing the values of a, b and c. So here the question number 1 is, and there are 3 examples which I have written on the board, and you have to just compare with the general form and write the values of a, b, c. So first example is x square minus 7x plus 5 equals to 0. So if you compare this with the general form ax square plus bx plus c, then coefficient of x square will be a equals to 1, coefficient of x b equals to minus 7, and constant term c equals to 5. Okay, this is simple. Okay, now in the second example, what you have to do is just convert the given quadratic equation in the simple form or say general form, and then compare it with general form. So here we'll have to take 5m and minus 5 to the left hand side, so it will become 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equals to 0. So if you compare this with this, then you will get a equals to 2, b equals to minus 5 and c equals to 5. In the third example, y square equals to 7y is given, and no third term is given or constant term is given. So we'll take 7y to the left hand side, so it will become minus 7y, and constant term will be 0 equals to 0. So comparing with this ax square plus bx plus c, you'll find a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7 and c equals to 0. In this way you can compare the quadratic equation with general form and write their coefficients or ABC, values of ABC. Okay, now we will go to the formula method. Now what is formula method actually? Formula method is, you have to solve the quadratic equation and find the roots of the quadratic equation by using formula. What is the formula for the finding roots of the quadratic equation? Say if the quadratic equation is in the form of is in the variable x, then x equals to, that is the root of the quadratic equation is equals to, you can find the root of the quadratic equation by using formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula to find the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, what you have to do is just compare the given quadratic equation with the general form of quadratic equation, find the values of a, b, c, okay, and then put in this formula and just solve it, simplify it, and get the value of x. Whatever the values of x you will get, those will be the roots of the quadratic equation. So this formula you have to remember, and you have to keep this in mind. Now we go to the practice set 2.4 question number 2, and the first example we will solve is x square plus 6x plus 5, and you have been asked to solve this by using formula method. Okay, so what is the first step? You have to see whether the given quadratic equation is in the general form or not. If it is, then directly compare it with general form. So compare with general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So you will get a equals to 1, b equals to 6 and c equals to 5. Okay, so this we have seen just in the question number 1. Now what you have to do is, we have seen here now just before now that the formula contains square root of b square minus 4ac. So we'll solve b square minus 4ac first. Therefore b square minus 4ac will solve and then put in the formula. Okay, so b square minus 4ac. Now put the values of a, b, c here over here. So b square, that is 6 square, minus 4 into a, that is 1, into c, that is 5. So 6 square, it will be 36, minus 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 5. Okay, so it will be 20. So 36 minus 20 will become 16. So b square minus 4ac is equals to 16. Okay, now we have got b square minus 4ac. Now we'll put this in the formula to find the root. And we know the roots of quadratic equation can be given by, what was the formula? X equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So we have found this value. Okay, now we have to put over here b and here a. Okay, and then solve this. So x equals to minus b minus 6 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac is under root 16 divided by 2 into a, that is 2 into 1. Okay, now x equals to minus 6 will be as it is, plus minus under root 16 can be written as 4. Okay, square root of 16 is 4 divided by 2 into 1, that is 2. So x equals to minus 6, I will write here, that is x equals to minus 6, once will take plus sign divided by 2, or x is equals to minus 6 will take minus sign over here divided by 2. So x is equals to plus minus 6 plus 4, that will be minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. Okay, or x equals to minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 by 2, so that will be minus 5. X equals to minus 5. Therefore minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, in this way you can find the roots of quadratic equation by using formula method. Just you can remember this by using only 2 steps. First, you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac, and then you have to use this formula to find the roots and put this value in the, okay, in place of b square minus 4ac, and just simplify so that you can get 2 values of x. Okay, now we'll go for the second example. Second example is x square minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So I will not rub this, I will keep this as it is and I will fill the blanks. Okay, like here, if you compare this with the ax square plus bx plus c, then you will get a equals to 1, b will be minus 3 and c will be equals to minus 2. Okay, now we'll find b value of b square minus 4ac. So b is here minus 3, minus 4 into a, that is 1, and c, that is minus 2. So if you solve this, you will get like minus 3 square plus 9, minus into minus plus 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2, okay, so it will become 17. Okay, so value of b square minus 4ac is 17. Now we know the roots of the quadratic equation can be given by x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So put the values in the formula. So minus b, it will be minus 3. Value of b square minus 4ac is 17. So it will be under root 17. 2 into a, that is 2 into 1. Okay, now just solve and find the roots. So this can be written as minus into minus plus 3 plus minus under root 17 whole divided by 2 into 1, 2. So we'll write separately with this sign. So 3 plus will take once under root 17 by 2, or here we'll take 3 minus under root 17 by 2. So further these two cannot be simplified. 3 plus under root 17 by 2 and 3 minus under root 17 by 2. So these are the roots. So I will write here, that is 3 plus under root 17 by 2 and 3 minus under root 17 by 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, in this way you can find the roots of quadratic equation by using formula method. Now again we'll go for the next quadratic equation, that is example number 3. And what is that? It is 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equals to 0. Now again in the similar way of earlier example, we'll go for this. If you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c, here you can observe a is 3, b will be equals to 2 and c will be equals to minus 7. So put the values in the b square minus 4ac and find its value. So b will be 2 square minus 4 into a, that is 3, and c is minus 7. So just simplify this. 2 square, that is 4 minus into minus plus, 4 3s are 12 and 12 7s are okay 84. So this will be 84 plus 4, that will be 88. Okay, now put the values in this formula. We know the roots of the quadratic equation given by this formula, so put the values to find the roots. Now minus b, so b is 2, so 2 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac is 88 divided by 2 into a is 3. Okay, so we have to simplify the above term, okay, so that we'll get the roots. Now minus 2 will be as it is, plus minus under root 88 can be factorized as 22 into 4 whole divided by 2 into 3, that is 6, and this can also be written as minus 2 plus minus. I will take this 4 out of the square root, so it will become 2 into under root 22 will be as it is. Okay, square root of 4, that is 2, so 2 can be taken outside. Now you can take common from both the terms 2. So if you take 2 as common, it will be here minus 1 plus minus under root 22 and whole divided by 6. Okay, so this 2 and 6 will get cancelled with 3, that is x is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 22 by 3. Okay, so if you write this separately, you will have roots -1 plus under root 22 by 3. Okay, and here -1 plus under root 22 by 3. In this way you will get the two values of roots. Okay, -1 minus under root 22 here divided by 3, we have taken here plus, so we have to take here minus. Okay, and this -1 will be as it is because it is here. You have to separate these two signs, so once you have to take plus and once you have to take minus. So these are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now we'll go for next quadratic equation, 5m square minus 4m minus 2. 5m square minus 4m minus 2, example number 4. Okay, so compare this with ax square plus bx plus c. What you will get? A equals to 5, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to minus 2. Okay, so put these values in b square minus 4ac. What you will get? B square, that is minus 4 square minus 4 into a, 5 into c, that is minus 2. So here 4 square minus 4 square will be plus 16, minus into minus plus 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 2, that is 40. Okay, so this will become 56. Okay, now we have found b square minus 4ac. So put the values in the formula, x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, to find the root. So minus b will be minus of minus 4, square root of b square minus 4ac will be square root of 56, and 2 into a is 5, so 2 into 5. Now just simplify the 56 can also be written as, okay, I will write first is here minus into minus, it will be plus 4, and then here 2 into 5, that is 10. Now square root of 56 can be written as 14 into 4. Okay, right, 14 4s are 56. Now I will rub this in before writing further. Okay, why I am not wiping this out? Because I want you to know how simple it is. Just you have to solve one problem seriously at home on the paper and just replace the numbers for every example in the practice set or say in the exam. It is similar. If you remember, we have solved 4 problems till now and we are doing same things, so it is easier. So that's why I'm not wiping out this, so that you can feel that it is how easy it is. So now here 4, I'm taking 4 out of the square root, so square root of 4, that is 2. This 14 will remain as it is, divided by 10. So again, now you can take 2 as common from both the terms. So if you take 2 as common, here will remain as 2 and this square root 14 as it is, and divided by 10. So this 10 will get cancelled with 2, 2 5s are 10, that will be 2 plus under root 14, 2 plus minus under root 14 by 5. So if you separate these, you will have 2 plus under root 14 by 5 and 2 minus under root 14 by 5. Okay, are the roots of given quadratic equation. Simple, huh? Okay, Now we'll go for the question number next, that is question number 5 will go, and the question number 5 is y square plus 1 by 3y. Okay, y square plus 1 by 3y is equals to only 2. So first you have to convert this in the simple form. Okay, so y square plus 1 by 3y equals to 2. I will write again here, y square plus 1 by 3y equals to 2. Now to simplify this, I will multiply through by 3 throughout the equation. So if you multiply here by 3, it will become 3y square. If you multiply here by 3, so 3 will get cancelled, it will be y. And if you multiply here by 3, it will become 6, and take 6 to the left hand side, so it will become minus 6. 3y square plus y minus 6. Okay, and this way the quadratic equation is to be converted. Now compare with the general form, ax square plus bx plus c. Then you will find coefficient of x square and here coefficient of y square. Okay, so a will be 3, value of a will be 3, value of b will be only 1, and value of c will be minus 6. Okay, now put these values in the b square minus 4ac and find the b square minus 4ac. Then put all the values in the formula to determine the roots. Okay, so b square, that is 1 square, minus 4 into a, that is 3, into c, that is minus 6. So 1 square, minus into minus plus, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 6, 72. 72 plus 1, that is 73. So put all the values in the formula. Okay, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b, that is minus 1, plus minus under root b square minus 4ac is 73, and 73 cannot be factorized, divided by 2 into a. So 2 into a is 3, 2 into 3 it will be. Okay, now just try to simplify this. So minus 1 plus minus under root 73 divided by 2 into 3, 6. So if you simplify this, or if you write twice by separating this, so x will be minus 1 plus under root 73 divided by 6, or say x equals to minus 1 minus under root 73 divided by 6. So roots of the quadratic equation are minus 1 plus under root 73 divided by 6 and minus 1 minus under root 73 divided by 6 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, in this way, if you think, for the 5 examples we have solved, only 2 terms, only 2 steps you have to go through. Just find b square minus 4ac and then put all values in this formula and just go on simplifying. Okay, now we'll go for the last example, 5x square plus 13x plus 8. So compare this 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equals to 0. Compare this with ABC and get the values of ABC by comparing the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So a will be equals to 5, b will be equals to 13, and c will be equals to 8. Okay, then find the value of b square minus 4ac. b is 13 minus 4 into a is 5 and c is 8. So if you solve this, you will have square of 13 is 169, 4 into 5 that is 20, 20 into 8 that is 160. So 169 minus 160, that is 9 only. Now I have solved half of the problem. Now I am asking you to solve further and comment me answer in the comment box or on my WhatsApp number. Okay, you have to put the values over here and just go on simplifying and let me know what is your answer and what are the roots of the quadratic equation. Just you have to put this value of b square minus 4ac over here. If you take square root of 9, it will be 3 in the next step. So here minus b means minus 13 plus minus 3 divided by 2 into 5, that is 10. So go on solving this and find what is the value of roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, and please reply me with the roots